Berlincioni, postdoctoral researcher at MIC for the University of Florence, a partner of AI4Media. And I'm going to present to you today the fast video super resolution artifact remover for analog video, which is a solution we came up with for the artifact removal and restoring of analog and VHS videos. Our key points are mostly a completely synthetic pipeline for generating the dataset, so a cheap way to come up with a dataset to train your model on, because otherwise you would have to go through archives and get the analog video and the HD corresponding. And the other key feature is our speed. We can process images at 44 frames per second, so it's almost real time. We train, as I said before, on a completely synthetic dataset, but we test it on real VHS videos, and as you can see here, we can reach some impressive performances, like removing the typical damages of tapes, the upper band, the noise, and some other stuff like ringing and boom and chroma dissonance. We really can reach these performances by proving on a previous network, and we do that by employing depth-wise separable convolutions with a much larger receptive field that allows us to get and correct larger artifacts. So, thank you for your attention.